Well, Indianapolis-based tech company Lessonly recently completed a $15 million Series C round of funding and says it's planning to use that infusion to really double down on all aspects of its platform. Lessonly, which has grown to more than 170 employees, says its online training platform serves now more than 1,000 companies and growing. With more on a company that is clearly in growth mode and what's next, let's welcome to the show now Lessonly co-founder and CEO Max Yoder via Skype from your attic, right, Max?
Yes, it's a pleasure to be coming at you from the attic at the Yoder household. Nice to hear from you, Gary.
Very good, very good. Hey, Lessonly continues to be a great success story, launched in 2012. Max, for those who may not know fully, give us a quick thumbnail description, the business model of Lessonly.
Yeah, we make online training software that helps people learn and practice. So the learning part is, making sure you have the right information about what matters, why it matters, how to do it. Then the practicing part's about giving you a chance to actually apply what you've learned so you can really build the muscle and be ready when you're talking to customers.
And you have been building muscle in terms of the size of the company. As I mentioned in the introduction there, you're up to 170 employees, so you've experienced a lot of growth in these last 8 years.
Yeah, it's been a really fun run, and going from one person to 180 people 170 people has actually felt more gradual than it might seem. But we've just been really lucky to hit the market at a good time. We focused on sales teams and customer service teams, and that's really served us well.
And recently made big news headlines just a few days ago, landing $15 million in a Series C round of funding with some great investors. Talk about that infusion and how it, in your view, it will benefit the company, what you're going to use those funds for.
Yeah, AXA Venture Partners out of Paris led the deal. We've always liked how they think about capital-efficient businesses, which we believe we've been one. And Zendesk came into the deal, too, as a strategic investor, which is really exciting for us. Zendesk out of San Francisco, really a neat company that we're a partner of. We're going to use the capital to invest in every part of the business. You're going to see some product advancements. We're launching a new skills assess product that will help people understand what skills they need and then help them understand how to get those skills. So if you're a customer service rep, you can see the skills that are available to you and learn how to build them. And we're really pumped about that. But across the board, sales team, customer service team, we're growing it all.
Max, the COVID-19, the crisis we continue in impacting business in a big way. Do the realities of what's happening here longer term maybe potentially stand to benefit your business, benefit Lessonly?
Yeah, I think, we're seeing many of our customers having challenges and many of our customers having new opportunities as well. So I think, it's a mixed bag, and our heart goes out to everybody who's affected by it, which is everyone. Yeah, we're seeing, the push to remote work was overnight. And certainly Lessonly is more helpful when your team is distributed because you can't get in the same room. So if we can do on-demand training the way we do it, it is mighty helpful, and we're happy to help at this time.
Yeah, Max, you are a real trailblazer and supporter of innovation and technology in Indiana. I know you wrote a book last year, I think, and as I understand, it's already on its third printing.
Yeah, do better work. Third printing. Really pumped about that. It's actually coming off the shelves this week, so we'll get 5,000 more copies, which will be really great.
All right, Max Yoder is the CEO, founder at Lessonly. A lot of news happening there, $15 million round of funding. Max, thank you very much for joining us, and continued success to you, and stay safe.
It's my pleasure. Stay safe. Thank you.
All right.